potential killer here, this damaged guardrail on the side of the Interstate 215 North in Nuevo, California, just north of exit 17. Ironically, this guardrail was damaged about a month ago. We reported it to Caltrans. They did send a crew out to repair it. Took them maybe 4 or 5 days from the time we reported it. So we will report this again, and hopefully they will get a crew out here to repair this. The problem with these guardrails is nobody seems to be reporting them. You know, I shouldn't be, and other citizens shouldn't be out here on the side of the freeway documenting guardrails and reporting them to Caltrans. Whoever responded, the law enforcement, emergency personnel, to this crash should have made an automatic report to Caltrans that this guardrail was damaged. And Caltrans should have activated a crew to come out and repair it. But quite frankly, that's not how the system works. It doesn't work that way here in California. It doesn't work that way in Ohio. It doesn't work that way in Florida. It doesn't work that way in Texas. It doesn't work that way in most states. The other thing that should happen is that if Caltrans cannot activate a repair crew immediately, they need to put some sort of protective device in front of this guardrail until they can get the equipment and the parts and pieces they need to effectuate this repair. And they should do that immediately.